And every week, we discuss some topic. It's about 15-20 minutes. This week, we picked the topic about AI and how it's going to disrupt some markets, how this thing are going to have huge impact around the world and a huge impact about your life. I mean that people should use it right now because it's so powerful that nobody, believe me, nobody can compete this. People should use it right now in real estate, in copywriting, in different areas. Because if you don't, you're going to be fired in most vacations, in most work jobs. But if you are, and you work with this, and you understood how to work with this, and how to play with this, your efficiency is going to be skyrocketing 10 times. And guess what? People are so low that you can take any job now. Literally, I can say five jobs, 5 tracks where AI is going to replace and almost 80, maybe 90% of people, literally. But 10 or 20% who works with AI are going to have much more money. You understand what I mean, right? So this 10%, for example, are going to make much more money than. So others are going to be replaced and they're going to change the job, so it's okay. So copywriting or writing the text. Literally all 99.9% of text are simple and rubbish around the world, right? So it's going to be replaced. AI realtors in terms of real estate investing, 10% who works with AI are going to replace 90% of them. In terms of investing, not in terms of buying for living, okay? Buy for living is something different. Investing, this numbers, probably that's all, right? Better ROI, better forecasting, that's probably the all. But AI gives to investors global scale. So AI literally could tell you what now is the best project in Dubai or what is the best project around the world, not just in one city. So no realtor, no people, no human being around the world could tell you this information. That's something different. And that's why it's going to be much more powerful than just internet, because through the internet, thanks to internet, all information and all products started to scale up and have an implementation level of human society 10x better, 10x faster than before the internet. Just believe you have AI, but you don't have internet. It's possible? It's possible, right? It's possible to have invented AI, right? Before the internet, literally. Internet is just a connection between a lot of computers, right? Okay, we don't have connections, but literally we have computers and some clever guy or some clever guys just invented AI and it's literally happened, right? Like ChatGPT happened on some computer in the 90s, okay? So nobody in the world just know about it. Okay, just imagine these guys just showing it to some reporters in media, you know, like TV show, like how it works, they printing it and it answering, you know. So people are gonna never believe it. So that's why through the internet and thanks to internet, this wave is gonna be 10x higher than internet and probably 10x faster. That's what is happening right now. And that's gonna be dramatically. Sorry. I don't know how to say it in English, but you know what I mean, right? Yeah, so it's going to dramatically change the world of many professions around the world. Let me guess that what is going to be the number 3 profession you probably think it's going to be drivers, right? Or Uber drivers around the world. That's not. That thing is going to be changing for decades. Why? Because it's about human life. It's about, it's about human life. It's about insurance. It's about everything. So that's why self-driving automobiles, it's not so fast as we could think because of a lot of rules around it. But AI, for now, is no rules about it, right? That's why Elon Musk and people around the world just telling that we need some rules, because now it's no rules. We can do whatever we want, right? So this is something interesting. I could say about just real estate because I have been working on it for the long time. What I would say to you guys, so once you are here or once you are listening and watching it, you're already definitely in top 1% of people who are interested on this thing. You literally can use it to make a huge profit, but it will happen anyway. With your effort, you believe it or not, AI doesn't care. That's something literally obvious. AI doesn't care what you think about it. The company Realiste now is growing dramatically, and the company doesn't care what you think about it. It will happen anyway. You could be in the first percentage of using it and get the profit, get the result, right? And be in top 10% who have been using it for a long time and who is experienced in using it. Because the most interesting skill in the world very soon is going to be the skill about operating with AI. This is the most interesting and the skill people are going to need. So also, I think, and my developer team also think that AI are going to replace in the next 3 up to 7 years 90% of developers. So it's going to be 2 types of developers who have been working on AI or who work on AI development, and no developers. All applications, all websites, database, and different stuff. So it's going to be nothing. That's what is happening now. So you probably know about booking.com, right? Or you probably know about, okay, I'm not sure, but probably you know about Google. So now the count of searches on Google is dramatically going down. They are not showing the statistics now, but it's dramatically going down. Why? Because people just don't go to Google search or any kind of search like Yandex, Google, I don't know, any kind of Yahoo kind of search, because most of the questions already asked in AI, like ChatGPT, one of them, it's a leader, right, of this space, but there are like more than 30 now AI chats or AI companies, right, who just made it. But people started to ask questions and even search in AI, literally chat or something like this, not even Google. That is something important. We do not have data, but I think that Google search dropped down 15% in the last 6 months. 15. This is just my thoughts. So how I achieved this search? So I started to approximately calculate my time on Google and ChatGPT. And I asked a lot of my colleagues, and I asked a lot of my friends, and etc. And they said that most of the searches they already are doing in ChatGPT, not Google. You know how much time it took for Google to achieve like domination in United States? 5. Okay, 6. So in 2000, 2001, 2002, Google is what was a monopoly already in the search. So they started in 1995, 1996, something like this. So 5-6 years it took to dominate United States market and after globally, right? So from 2022, so from 2002, it was expansion for a global market. So ChatGPT and AI grabbed, I think, 15% of Google market, search market, in fucking 6 months. That means that now you can believe it or not, AI gonna change your life in the next 1.5 to 3 years dramatically. So people are not gonna use Booking to find a hotel. People are gonna use AI to ask AI, show me the best hotel in Dubai for the modest price with the best location. That is what it's gonna be. The same thing now it's happening in real estate. And I'm honored that Real is just one company now in the world that have done it before the big wave.